In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do something called group division. And this is what you're doing anytime you're doing abstract division on paper. Now with the golden beads or with the unit division board, that's a little different. That is distributive division. So giving each person one equal amount until everything has been distributed. This is looking at how many groups of something are contained within a number. So that's a slight differentiation. And this is used with the stamp game. And this is just a homemade set I have here. You can also use a printable version, which I'll link in the description below. Okay, so to start with, I have a number here. This is the divisor, 3. And so we'll be looking at how many groups of 3 are contained in the dividend. That's this number, 9,345. So our problem is 9,345 divided by 3. And our first step is to build the dividend. Okay, so 9,000s. Bring that over. Three hundreds. Four tens. And 5 ones. Okay, let's move this up a little bit. Okay, now the first step is to ask how many groups of 3 are there with our thousands, with our 9,000s? Well, let's see. Here's one group of 3 thousands. Here's another group of 3 of our thousands. And here's another group of 3 we could make with our 1,000 stamps. Separate that out so you can see the groups. Okay, now I'm going to write on a little piece of paper 3 because we were able to make 3, 1, 2, 3 groups. Okay, now we'll do the same thing with the hundreds. So how many groups of 3 can we make with our 100 stamp? Well, 1, 2, 3. We were able to make one group of 3 100 stamps. Okay, and I'm going to write on a little piece of paper, we could make one group. Let's go on to our tens. Okay, how many groups of 3 can we make using our 10 stamps? Well, 1, 2, 3, we can really only make one, right? Because there's this extra one left over. So let's go ahead and make that group. And I'm going to write on a little strip of paper that we were able to make one group of 3 with our tens stamps. Now, remember, 10 tens are equal to, or sorry, 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So we can go into our bank and put this 10 here, and we can exchange it for 10 of our ones. Okay, so let's do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oops, I went too far. Not 11. Okay, so I have my 10 ones in my hand here that I exchanged. And I like to keep these separate at first so that we can see that it was an exchange. And then we'll go ahead and combine them. Okay. So let's set these out here. Okay, and let's see how many groups of 3 we can make with all of our ones. Well, here's one group of 3. Here's a second group of 3. There's another. There's another. And we could make these all face the same direction if you like. Not necessary, though. Okay. But since we started, why not? Go ahead and finish organizing all these. Okay. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3 we were able to make with our ones stamps. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on a little strip of paper. We have 5 and nothing left over. So 9,345 divided by 3 equals, and I should probably also write a little strip of paper with an equal sign. So let's do that. There we go. 3,100, 110, and 5 ones. So our answer is 3,115. And that's how to do group division. If you like this video, you can go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.